That's okay. Reason why I'm driving around the community here is that I'm testing this here body cam out. There's a little kid there. I don't know how I'm going to delete that if you see him or her. Because I don't have no filters to do any kind of editing. Maybe everybody can't see it. See the child. Now I'm headed home. Most of my time when I ride this tricycle, I just like to ride it for a purpose, like going to stores and buying something. Because I can't wait to get on this here tricycle to go someplace. It just gets boring if you just ride around the neighborhood here. I'm gonna have to and now we're headed back to 408 Louise Lane. And on the gate, when we go back into it, you're gonna see a hummingbird saying welcome. Let me go make my left turn up here. I gotta slow. Oh, Marcia. I don't know how I'm gonna get around there. Ah, I got it. Oh. Ah, shoot. Ah. I gotta push it in there, see? See that little hummingbird that says welcome? There. Ooh, that took a lot out of my legs. Now I've got it back in here. I got it back into the garage where I'm going to disconnect it. There we go. I'm going to stop all this here video. Again, please hit a like, leave a comment. If you see it in your heart, subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.